Hey guys, in the Indo here. Check this out. 2005 C6 Corvette
Automatic,
auto,
4 speed,
4 speed.
400 horsepower,
There you go. 400 horsepower.
LS2 engine.
Man, I just test drove this car earlier. That is awesome, man. Wow. Now this is what you call a sport car. Pintunya Rut, buka Rut. Pintu. Lihat dalamnya. There we go. It's pretty quick. It's a fast car. I thought the brick was Brembo, but I guess Corvette has a
My dream, Brembo.
red.
$4,000. I don't know.
Yeah, man.
Not mine.
He
No.
just put this extra spoiler there, carbon fiber. So next week he's gonna have the side. What do you call that side? The wing,
Side
the
skirt.
the side skirt. So it's gonna be next week. All right, guys. Thought I was going to show you this awesome car. Oh, I bet you want to hear the sound, right? Start it, Ruth. But everything is still original, right?
The sound is not good yet.
The
Under lighting.
still sounded good. Coba Ruth, di rev Ruth, dikit. Gas dikit, Ruth.
Hah?
Digas dikit. Nice.
Stop.
It's
new-
good. Yeah.
The new exhaust 4.5. It's gonna be
Oh, big. That would be awesome. So once he's done with the mods, we're gonna take another video. All right, guys. Ciao.